Give me a couple of minutes. I'll just finish the recall. I've also had some questions where some people have asked, is it mandatory? If you're part of your Sangha, is it mandatory to get a name? And the answer is obviously not. It is no such thing. It is what you are is always awareness itself. But from my own experience, I can say that for some beings there is this feeling of discarding the old identity because it seems very alien, very playfully. You don't have to dwell on it very seriously from the mind. Very playfully, if this desire comes that now the old identity does not seem like this thing, so I want to surrender even this at the feet of the Guru. I want to even surrender the label with which the world addresses me. Even that I want to surrender to at the feet of the Guru. Then with that sense of surrender, then the request can come for a name. So, but it does not say that the ones who have names are more evolved or less evolved, or they are more they love me more or love me less. It is not, I love them more or love them less. Nothing like that. So it's not a mandatory thing, but if it comes very naturally with no peer pressure, with no peer pressure, if it comes naturally that I would rather, even the label with which I am addressed in this world, I would want that to come from the Guru's mouth, then very playfully we can do this beautiful exercise. So that is what the naming is about. But don't make it a thing for your mind to deal with. And if your mind is dealing with this, then figure out what is the identification here. Is there a strong identification here, or is it that because you feel that this simple playful exercise is happening, does it evoke some concepts about cults and all of these things in your mind? Is there any of that? It is actually very, very playfully, very beautifully done in this way. And the name itself becomes such a beautiful reminder of our own Sadguru. When the name Ananta is used, it's such a beautiful reminder of Muji. So the same Sadguru can be remembered when our own name is being taken. Isn't that so beautiful? That's why in South India it's such a beautiful thing to name all the kids after some god. But it does not have any implications on our freedom, on our love, on our being part of the Sangha or not.